Hello friends, welcome to Winner's Edge transcription tutorial number 4. This one is about 7 consonant sounds, the final ones. We have already done the one upon 17 Roman symbols. Now these are 7 non-Roman symbols. So the first one that we start with is ch, like in churn. So slash, as we know, the ch symbol, a, n, churn. Join, the j symbol, the oi symbol, and the n symbol. Join. Shy, the sh symbol, then plain and simple I, shy. Vision, the v symbol, the e symbol, then the j symbol and the n symbol. Vision. After that we go towards th, which is in think. So the th symbol, the e symbol, the ang symbol, and the k symbol. Think. Then we go to the symbol, the e symbol, and the m symbol. Finally we reach the anga symbol, although we have met it, but still. S symbol, e symbol, and the anga symbol for sing. I repeat this whole thing with you so that we remember these symbols. They are different. The ch symbol, the j symbol, the sh symbol, j symbol, then the th symbol, then the d symbol, and the anga symbol. These are the 7 symbols. I repeat, to look at the ch symbol, the j symbol, the sh symbol, the j symbol. 4. Then we go to the th symbol, the d symbol, and the anga symbol. Together they give us 7. Now if you need more practice, go for the quizzes. If you like what we are doing, please do like it, and we'll see and love it. But then before you go to the quizzes, try your hands on worksheets that are here, tutorials that we are uploading, and of course, after everything, if you want more, subscribe. Whenever we do something new, you'll get to know that. After that, if you want us to do something, some important concept that you want to learn more about, some doubts that you want to clear, just put the same in the comment box. So when you write in the comment box, we read, we respond, and one better, we work on it. So like, subscribe, and comment, and stay in touch. All the best. Thank you.